so, you know, the fight goes on. The judge herself said that the arguments that we're making is looking forward to the trial are good arguments. I don't think that there's anyone that was in that room or anyone who has read our papers along the way and submissions to the court along the way thinks that this is some kind of overwhelming case. It's not. The Attorney General has pleaded not guilty. She has pleaded emphatically not guilty. We are very, very optimistic about this, and we're preparing for trial.
So would your argument at trial be that this was an honest mistake?
I think that you'll hear over the course of time and at the trial that this was an honest mistake. There were other people who appeared before the grand jury. There were other people who were in the same position. The prosecutor in the case, the special prosecutor, knew full well what the issues were. The special prosecutor knew full well that they were taking the position, and it didn't matter whether she was signed or not. On the facts of this case, and I've been living with the case for well more than a year, the facts of this case I feel very optimistic. I think that these charges are misplaced. I think that these charges overstate any conduct that she was involved in. We heard today about a meeting that was held 3 days after she took office, and I think either the prosecutor or the judge would suggest that the Attorney General is held to a higher standard. You know, going into an office with 800 employees and remembering what you did and what you signed 3 days after the appearance, 3 days after, I'm sorry, the swearing in, keeping my timeline correct. So 3 days after swearing in, probably dealing, you know, in an 800-person office, dealing with myriad issues, and she was doing the best she could.
So she was overwhelmed at the time. Is that what you're saying? She was overwhelmed?
I don't think that there's any question about that she was overwhelmed at the time. I don't think there's anyone in this room that wouldn't be overwhelmed at the time stepping into that position. She's done a fabulous job, you know, in the days after that. She's done a fabulous job in her work as the Attorney General. She has garnered the respect, given despite these adverse developments, she has garnered the respect of attorneys general throughout the country. She has a wide support base. There are many, many people who are supporting her. People who know the facts of this case know that it's a case that's really in search of a case. There is no case here.
Mr. Shargel, that's a significant document that she signed.